Bon matin, everyone! Today we are embarking on another little baking challenge. In my last video, I tried to make my brownie recipe vegan, which came out very, very fudgy and delicious. Shout out to Emma R. My first ever shout out. Shout out to Emma R for suggesting it. I left a link to her channel in the description. She makes creative music videos and has a sweet personality, so check her out. Okay, now for today's petit défi, a little challenge. With a random selection of fruits and veggies, I need to bake using one fruit and one vegetable. So the chosen fruit, the chosen one, is a lemon. I'm using the rind and the juice. The juice. For my vegetable, I'm using zucchini that I shredded. So with the lemon and zucchini, we are making lemon zucchini, oatmeal, whole wheat, honey, olive oil, muffins! Yes, that is quite the handful. Now that we have all of our ingredients, let's start baking.
I forgot that we also have eggs, which is what we're going to be starting with. Just gonna crack the eggs. Ooh, nice. Whisk it up. So I'm beating the eggs until you get a nice frothy, light pale color. Okay, so now we have a lot of bubbles in here. Now we're gonna add the olive oil. We're gonna slowly, very, very, very slowly add in the oil as we whisk. Now that it's nice and incorporated like this, we are going to add in the honey. Since honey is really sticky, I just brushed the bowl with a little bit of olive oil so that it would come out really, really nicely. Put in the lemon juice and the zest, very good. Oh, look, it's coagulating. Such a weird word. Vanilla, because I love vanilla. Yum! Vanilla. All right. Okay, I'm gonna top off the excess here. Next, we are going to add in the zucchini. Looks like this, but it's actually a zucchini. It's gonna be quite a yellow. Oh my god, it splattered on me. Oh my gosh, that's why we have to wear an apron. I actually need a long sleeve. I mean, I need a snuggie apron. A snuggie apron. Oh my god, I did it again. Okay. Lightly stirring in the zucchini. You don't need to stir, you don't need to squeeze out the excess zucchini juice because we're not adding any additional liquids in here. So for traditional muffin recipe, you would have your flour, your eggs, your liquid, and then some sugar, oh, and some fat, but we are not adding any liquid because the liquid is in form of a vegetable. That's how we get our 5-a-day fruit and vegetable. Okay, next we are gonna add in our dry ingredients. So I'm gonna be adding in whole wheat flour because they are breakfast muffins. So we're gonna throw in some health when we can. And I also have the salt and baking soda and baking powder. Next, I'm also going to add in the oats, the quick oats. We're using quick oats because they absorb more water than the old-fashioned ones. I said it like it was a question. It's not a question, it's the truth. We have our beautiful batter. We're just gonna put these into some greased muffin tins.
The muffins were looking a little bare, so I thought, why not make an oat topping? You know, for looks. For taste, of course. My favorite part of the muffin is the top, and everyone knows
the most delicious part of the muffin is the top.
I love a good muffin top. I just sprinkled a little bit of the topping on each muffin and baked them for about 20 minutes until golden brown.
Muffin! They look so good! To be honest, I was kind of nervous when I was mixing the bowl. They smell kind of weird, but they smell so good when they're baked. Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Overall, these muffins are pretty good. I would have added a little bit more lemon zest. Other than that, they're delicious. Love the topping. And there you have it, your one fruit, one vegetable, lemon zucchini breakfast muffins.